Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And that's how you can enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, you can navigate using volume keys and select using power key, and you have such options as reboot, wipe data, connect with MIAssistant, and safe mode. In wipe data, okay, so you don't have any other options. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot, and after that your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.